Now the second special function is your full match. So full match function in regular expression is used to check whether the entire string exactly matches with the given pattern from the beginning to the end. So the syntax is pretty much similar to your match function. Now we have full match here, and the first argument is the pattern that I'm going to search, and this is the given string. Now it is going to check from the beginning till the end of this string. This entire pattern is available or not. If it is matching, we'll be getting the match object. Otherwise, we'll be getting a return. I mean none. Now let's see this example. So once again, we have imported this RE module. So here I am writing let's say the text is holding some Python 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to use this full match, but this time we are going to specify a pattern. So what this pattern indicate? So we have already mentioned like capital A to capital Z means any alphabet between capital A to capital Z. Small hyphen z means any alphabet that is in lowercase from small a to small z. And 0-9 is nothing but your any decimal numbers or digit starting from 0 to 9. And this plus indicate it matches with one or more occurrences of this. I mean the text or whatever pattern I have, so that must be matching with any alphanumeric, I can say. I mean this complete one is nothing but your uppercase and lowercase letters and as well as digits. So this plus, beside this plus, this entire thing, I mean set is available. So any of these must be there from the beginning till the end. And this is nothing but the text string which I'm going to search for. Now you can see this Python. So this P is matching with this capital A to capital Z because it is a capital P here. And remaining Ython is matching with this second one, that is your A to Z lowercase. And the remaining one is nothing but the digits which are coming under this category. Because from the beginning of the string till the end, entire pattern that I have specified here is matching. Hence, it is going to return the match object. So as a result, this result is going to carry the match object. Hence, it is true. So now we are just trying to print out this group function, which is nothing but the whatever match is found. So because it is a full match, hence this entire string will be given as the output, like the full match found Python 1, 2, 3. Now if we are going something which is different from, I mean suppose apart from this alphanumeric, if I'm giving some other symbols here, okay, so then it is not going to return the match object. So by that time it is going to return a none object. As a result, we will be getting this no full match.